Hi guys, I'm a newbie user of a Mac, so I need to resolve some issues on how to adjust screen because when I was like about to use it in Windows before, I never experienced this before. Okay, so I've been searching some videos or some video tutorials online, and I've been reading a lot about how to do some adjustments on the screen. But yeah, I recently the display of the video is like this one. So part of the screen was recorded, and to show it off, like I have my videos before in YouTube, like, and it was edited in CapCut. Yeah, this one. So if you're going to check the video
From this
playing,
bar,
part of the screen is
upper,
just capture, so not
from
the
the
whole
upper,
screen. So now we'll be resolving it on how to capture the whole screen. So the first step was like um go to OBS again. Let's just minimize this one. Okay, go to OBS. Then this is CapCut, I'm sorry. Let's go to OBS. Yeah, so the screen is kind of like this before. And but you have to click on the Mac OS screen capture so that it will like right click here and transform, or either way around. You go to edit. One, it's not earlier, it's not applying because I click on the video again and again. So click on the transform, then go to fit to screen. So yeah, so that's all. Thank you, and hope this video will help you guys to resolve your the same issue I experienced. Thank you for watching.